Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare iodine solution for titration. First, accurately weigh your reagents. Iodine is not very soluble in water alone, so we use potassium iodide to help it dissolve. This forms a stable triiodide complex, which is crucial for a reliable titrant. Ensure all equipment is clean and dry before starting. To begin, carefully weigh out about 12.7 grams of iodine and 36 grams of potassium iodide. Next, dissolve the 36 grams of potassium iodide in 25 milliliters of distilled water in a beaker. Once the potassium iodide is fully dissolved, add the weighed iodine to this solution. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly until all the iodine has completely dissolved, forming a dark brown solution. Carefully transfer this solution into a 1-liter volumetric flask. Then, dilute the solution to the 1-liter mark with distilled water, ensuring the meniscus is at the line. Finally, stopper the flask and invert it several times to ensure complete homogenization. For optimal stability, store your freshly prepared iodine solution in a dark, stoppered bottle. This protects it from light and air, which can cause decomposition and alter its concentration. Always label the bottle clearly with the solution's name and preparation date. Remember to standardize the solution regularly against a primary standard for accurate titration results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.